Welcome. In this video I will show you how to install fonts on Windows 10. First, open the folder with your downloaded font. Usually they come in zip files. To open such file, right click on it, select Open With, and then select Windows Explorer. Then inside this file, find the TTF formatted file. This is the font that you want to install. Double click it and then select Install right here, and wait until the font is installed. And right now this font is installed in your Windows. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.